Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and everything in between. Welcome to Kismet's Corner. I'm Kismet. Today, we're going to be talking about general Zippo maintenance. A friend of mine is just getting into Zippos, friend of the channel, CJ, and I'm sending him a care package full of stuff, and I'm going to show. He wanted to know how some of the stuff worked, and I thought it would be a good exercise to show some of you as well. So we're going to be mainly taking a look at the Zippo Fuel Canister. This is a little accessory that has quite a few little features, and I really enjoy this product. And it's relatively cheap. It's about $10 to $12 on Amazon or other sites. So, sometimes these are hard to open. Typical. There we go. Alright, so what you have is the fuel canister itself. To take off the canister to where you can fill the fuel, grab the ring and twist. There you can fill it. There's some dust in there. That's weird. I'm going to have to clean that out for you. Can you see in there? I've never seen that before. That's brand new from Zippo. And there's some gunk down in there. Huh. Weird. Anyway. So put that back on. To take the cap off to access the pour spout, hold the ring, twist the top. And then take this cap off. And there's your pour spout and then your breather hole. When you're filling a Zippo, you want the breather hole to be up. Like that. I'll demonstrate that in a few minutes. So going back to the keychain, you have a ring that holds everything together, a split ring to attach to a keychain, a swivel clip if you want to attach it that way, so this can spin around freely. You have a little tool that works on the bottom for the flint spring. Right there, this thing, to remove the flint spring, to change the flint. And this little rubber piece is a flint holder, so you can keep a spare flint with you. So, be very careful not to drop it, but oh, yep, don't drop it like that. Kind of hard to do on camera. I'm looking through the viewfinder. There we go. You can see in there I put a flint in there. Alright. I'm also sending along some extra flints. I think these are the cheap flints off of Amazon. I just put these in the Zippo holster I had laying around. So this is an insert that has a gasket on it. You lift that to fill. Pour your fluid in here. There's a spot for a spare flint right there. So I'll put that in there. there. So now on this Zippo, I'm going to demonstrate how to fill it. So for one with the gasket like this, you just lift that to fill, pour in there. For a traditional Zippo, you take the felt, might be kind of hard, you might need a tool. So get the felt, lift it up. Oh dear. There we go. Alright, so what I normally do for felt filling, I put the can or the pendulum like that, put it in like this, and what you do is put the felt under the lid so it holds it for you. If you were doing it with this one, you would do the same thing. Just put the can like that, open it, and then put it in the Zippo like this and fill it. Alright, so take off the top cap, take off the nozzle cap, and then start filling. So keep the air hole, you see it up top there, keep the air hole open and up when you're filling. And what I normally do to get it started is just tap it. And what I do is rotate the insert a little bit to get to the different corners. So what I was doing there is as I was pouring, I was rotating back and forth to ensure even distribution. So lift that up, press your felt down, take your zip insert out, I shook it off to the side a little bit because there's a little spillover. Put your Zippo back in, put the can back to where it was, close it, wipe off any excess, and light. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.